As I have a love for pollinators, I was considering some Joe Pye in my backyard, but it can get very dry quickly. Would I need a fire hydrant to keep them happy? And this is Bill from Southport, North Carolina. So a fire hydrant. The thing about Joe Pye is this, right? Loves moist conditions. Because when you see it out in nature, guess where it grows? Near streams, ditches. Tells me, yeah, you better have sufficient soil moisture. Of course, it likes conditions, full sun, part shade. So it can actually withstand periods of drought, but you're gonna need sufficient soil moisture. So, Mr. Bill, that fire hydrant might be a good idea. It may be a good idea, so you definitely want to keep it watered. Beautiful plant does attract a lot of pollinators and butterflies. It definitely does that. You know, give it a little room, it'll take off, but it has to have sufficient soil moisture. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.